It's not a real four-wheel drive. There's no ground clearance. Today, we're going to put the rumours to bed because today, we've got double trouble. I know that's World Rally Championship, TLC.
That's my initials. Or Troy's little car.
Reppin' Pete there.
Yeah, love his channel.
Yeah, he's a nice dude, eh? He's a really nice dude. Oh, I can already tell it's like significantly nicer than mine. I'm just going to compare the pair. What the state of that. Jesus. I left the window down the other night as well because it was wet inside, but it rained overnight, so it just got wetter. So I was just like... Troy, you're a really nice bloke. So good to meet you. We're going to head to Harvey Dam. I've never been to Harvey Dam, and Troy hasn't been to Harvey Dam either. I'm going to show you the roads to take, and I'm going to show you the tracks we take so that you can do this adventure too. Turning left off Southwestern Highway, travelling south. Onto Honeymoon Road. That was roughly 22.5 k's out of Waroona, travelling south. Turning into an area here which looks like a circular car park, and that was 2.2 kilometres. Got airborne, mate. Seen down there?
Yeah, that's good. You can lock the brakes up and slide all the way down.
Should we do it? Or is it too early?
It's never too early.
Is it ever too I like this dude. Bloody picturesque place. Really nice. I reckon it's doable. It just might be a bit slidey. Fucking slicked me out.
It's a bit gnarly.
Oh god. Oh my god. I just saw it, man. I just seen it.
It's too far to go back now. A lot of noises coming from down there. It's definitely a lot steeper than it looks on camera. Doesn't exactly want to go where you want it to go, but
No, it doesn't. It's got a mind of its own a bit. Yeah. Mate, it's not a real four-wheel drive.
well, that's what they say. I am, however, staying out of the real four-wheel drive rut.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a fair point. Oi.
Now it's a real four-wheel drive.
Yeah. Big step there. Oh, great. He's stuck in that rut. He has to do it. He has to do it. Oh. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, guys. There's a bit of scraping. Bit of scrapage. The question is though, mate, is the oil pan still intact?
Well, the bumper's not really.
Troy's bumper is... Oh, Jesus!
Well, it was alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, mate, it's dry as.
Didn't even kiss it.
It didn't even touch it, mate. Oh, mate, that's perfect. There's Gandalf, mate.
Well, we might not be able to park.
Yeah. It's the exit, which is going to be the interesting. Soft.
I hate to sound hopeful, but we might be able to do it.
Oh, okay. What did you say? I hate to sound hopeful? Like you didn't want to do it? All right, well, I've got less to lose than you. And I was saying to Troy before when we were up the car park, tax time has been fairly good to me. So there might be an upgraded car on the horizon anyhow. So...
Yeah, thanks for that.
I will remind you, Troy has no snorkel. No issues, mate?
Easy does it, mate.
Easy does it. Now we've emptied it for the next person.
Now I've made it easy for everyone.
My car's starting to make a smell, a very distinctive hot Subaru that's been in a lot of dirt smell. Oh no! Oi, there he goes. Wild Turin. Like your stuff, mate. Like your stuff. Not as good as mine, but... Did you have your traction control on?
This doesn't have traction control.
It does. That wasn't an option on yours, right? No. Oh, fuck. So this rock here, thanks Troy, has appears to have ripped my radiator hose.
It used to live here.
Yeah.
Dragged it quite far.
So, we're in at Harvey Dam and I've got no coolant in my engine. How far do you think a Subaru engine could go with no coolant in it, is the question. Mr. Subaru mechanic behind the camera.
Sometimes they don't go very far with coolant in it.
Yeah.
So,
At least if I blow my head gasket now, it doesn't matter, right?
yeah, well, that's a bright way to look at it.
I'm sorry, mate. That was fucking short-lived, wasn't it? You know what I mean?
It happens.
Invite him out for a bloody day of forward driving and what's it been, like an hour?
Something like that.
Yeah. And I've already lost a radiator
Quick
hose.
one's a good one, eh?
Yeah, quick one's a good one. Don't do what I did.
Well, now that rock's moved, it should be alright.
Yeah.
Thanks for grading the track.
Yeah, I know, right? Fucking hell. When I hit it, I was like, God, that was a big one.
Yeah, I heard you freaking...
Yeah. I will also say my coolant is totally water, or basically totally tap water. So don't worry about the pollution because I've had that many cooling issues over the time. I've just given up replacing it with proper coolant, and it's just tap water these days, or rainwater. Oh shit! It's my bash plate has smashed up into it. I think, hey?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Far out. Is it a hose? It's not my lower radiator hose, I don't think. I think it's fucking like the block. Oh shit, look at that.
Yeah, it's a bit of a...
Fuck.
Easy, anyway.
Oh, oh no. Oh, what a spot to do it, eh? For the purpose of the video, even though I don't really feel like filming it this very second, Troy and I are going to go for a little walk to see what's past this monstrous hole here, because we don't want to go through it with a car with no coolant just to get stuck again, right? Yeah. Or just, yeah, not be able to get back. So there was a road up here called Clark Road. So we're assuming because it's a road, it'll be graded. So
might be the easy way back.
Yeah, it might be the easy way to get it back, because I think that Subi might be done for the day.
Hey, you get to get a new one.
Oh, that's it. And I should definitely get proper underbody protection, hey?
Yeah. I think we've both learned that, haven't we?
Yeah. Yeah, you with your smashed in sump, and then me with my now air-cooled engine. It's a V-dub now, mate.
Yeah.
It's evolving backwards.
Back to the boxer heritage.
This looks pretty good, eh? This looks like a proper thing. So we're there. Subarus are down there somewhere. This is the road here, and then Clark Road is up there. So I'm assuming if we go up there, we'll be on a proper road. Yeah. But there's one obstacle. Yeah. As always, to make it nice and dramatic, there's one big obstacle in our way. So maybe I'll take my boots off and walk it, because we don't want to get it stuck as well, I guess, and have no coolant in it. Well, you know what I mean?
Sounds unhappy. What were we bloody worried about? Made it look easy.
No coolant at all, judging by the amount that came out of the Subaru then. Yes, there's basically no coolant in the Subaru currently. We're going to be probably at least a couple of Ks from the entrance to Harvey Dam. I'm going to try and take all the easiest roads back to the entrance that I can. Cars obviously without coolant in them overheat very quickly. If I look sweatier than normal, it's yes, because I've been running back and forth to pick up the camera, but two, I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest with you. I know it's all fun and games, but I didn't want to drag someone else into it, you know. But Troy has been awesome so far, so yeah, all right, see how we go. Oh, we're going up a hill. That's not going to be good for the engine. It's going to get hot. Crept above halfway. Oh god! Oh, what did I do that for? Bit of natural cooling there through the puddles. And we're back where we initially aired down our tyres. So I think we might pull the bash plate off and just see how bad the damage is. There's my partner in crime. It didn't get much hotter than it usually would, but obviously we were only driving there for what, 3 minutes.
Oh, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah. Isn't it? Pretty struggle. It's a bloody the coolant line hose to the cooler. Yeah, Roger. It's pinched. Been pinched by the bash guard. Yeah. I think that's been caused by the bash guard itself.
It's a myth.
It's a myth.
Don't get them.
Mate, bash guards, they're a myth. Next week on Australian Rural Adventures, a bash guard's a myth. We'll have to get this sump guard off first.
Yeah.
Because it's on the impact, the bolt has become sort of
one with the guard.
One with the car. Hey!
Bit of memorabilia, put that on the wall in the shed.
Yeah. Guys, what I've done is I've wrapped the what was it called? The oil
cooler coolant line.
The oil cooler coolant line rubber elbow piece with a bit of fabric tape there. Unfortunately, I don't know how long it's going to last, so just wrapped it, and I'll do a few more wraps over it, and then I'll pinch either side of the split in the hose with a couple of cable ties, and then fill it with water, and hopefully that just sort of slows the leak. There we go, guys. Let's see how long that lasts. How long do you reckon, mate, before it's leaking again?
Let's be optimistic and say 5 minutes.
5 minutes, Big Troy reckons? I reckon 3.5. It's like the price is right. I'll just go slightly lower than your guess. That radiator is going to be super hot though, isn't it? If I pour
Oh,
this in, it's going to go
it's
fucking...
been sitting here for a while. Might be alright.
How did Dougie lose his eyesight? It's going to be all of it, isn't it? How many litres of water would normally be in a EZ30 engine?
About 10 litres.
10 litres.
Yeah, about that much.
Yeah, about all of that. I mean, as long as the block has some water in it, right?
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a heat soak.
Yeah.
That's the best we can hope for, I suppose.
Or do you just go to the pub and drown your sorrows?
A Panadol and a mid-strength beer would be bloody perfect right now. You know what I mean? I reckon to the pub. Alright, I'm not even going to look to see if that's bloody... I'm not even going to look to see if that's leaking, so I think we'll just make a run for it. And,
sometimes it's best not to know.
yeah, that's it, mate. That's the Subaru owners. That's Subaru's new slogan, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's best just not to know. Thanks for getting on the ground and getting covered in mud, mate.
Yeah, that's alright, mate. Yeah, anytime.
Alright guys, we are going to make a run for it from Harvey Dam to hopefully Waroona Pub. We're coming up to some roadworks, guys. I pray that they don't stop me at, and then I have to wait. Because every minute I'm running, it's a chance to overheat, and that. So we'll see how we go, guys. Ah, shit. Stuck at a roadworks stop sign. Fuck. Well, it's holding temperature at a normal rate, so hopefully we're not here for too long. We can get back on the road. I reckon we're probably only 5-10 k's out of Waroona now, so we're on the home stretch. I think we've done it, guys. I've never been so happy to be in Waroona. I actually quite like Waroona, don't get me wrong. Well, I think I'm okay. I think I'm going to make it all the way home. Mate, we're at the pub.
About time.
We did it. Thanks for joining us. Another episode of Australian Rural Adventures. Troy, mate, it was awesome to have you along.
Yeah, it was awesome. Good fun, good shenanigans.
I'm sorry it was so short-lived. We're only out on the tracks for an hour, not even an hour
it's still a
and
good
a half.
time.
Dougie out.
See you later.
Troy out.